Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable flip to mute incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. Select the three-dotted icon on the top right and then select the settings button. Go down underneath advanced and select flip to silence. If you want to silence incoming calls, place your device face down on a flat surface, toggle that on, and then your Samsung Galaxy phone should have flip to silence enabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.